Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia, where English is easy and fun. I'm Max.
And I'm Mia. Hello, Max. It's so nice to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm very happy to be here. How about you, Mia?
I'm good too. The sun is shining, and I'm ready to talk about a great topic.
Yes, it's a super helpful topic. But first, let me ask you something. When you meet someone new, what is one of the first questions they ask?
Very often they ask, "How was your day?" Or, "What do you do every day?"
Exactly. And that is why today's topic is so useful.
Yes, today we are going to talk about daily life. How to talk about our day.
That's right. It's one of the first things you talk about when you meet someone. How was your day? What do you do every day?
Exactly. And it's a simple way to practice English. Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much. Okay, Mia, let's start. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. What about you?
Oh, I wake up a little later, at 8. I like to drink a glass of water first. After that, I make coffee.
Coffee is important. I make coffee too. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread and butter. It's very simple.
I like to eat eggs for breakfast. Eggs and toast.
It's a good breakfast. After that, I check my email on my computer.
Me too. I check my phone and my email. It's a habit, a daily habit. Then I start work.
What time do you start work, Max?
I start work at 9 o'clock. I work from home, so I just sit at my desk. It's easy. Do you work from home too?
Sometimes. Today, I am working from home. I start work at 9:30.
I have a meeting every morning at 10 a.m.
A meeting is a good way to start the day. It's good for talking to your colleagues.
Yes, and I like my colleagues. They are very friendly. We talk about our weekend or our hobbies.
That's nice. My colleagues and I talk about our projects. We have many projects to finish. It's busy.
Yes, my day is busy too. I have many things to do. A long to-do list.
Me too. A long list. I write my list every morning. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good tip. I should do that. After work, what do you do?
After my morning work, I eat lunch. Lunch is at 12. I eat something fast, like a sandwich.
Lunch is a good break. I like to eat a salad for lunch. It's light and fresh.
Oh, a salad is a great choice. After lunch, I work again. I work until 5.